Not dismounted yet.
No. Okay, just keep coming
This
out.
is point face.
So just keep coming out.
They're at the south side of our
Need to look for
Catching up though, they're catching up.
Okay. I need to look for choke. Come not to us.
Don't dismount them.
Careful my backline ah. Tell me when they're very near.
There's
Okay?
flies around.
Magtatry na mag-catch yung taas.
Yeah, dismounted, right? Okay.
Okay, dismounted na.
May nag-OC na sila.
Food up.
May mga nag-OC na.
Ready.
Food and nag-OC.
Do not OC yet, chill.
Don't dismount the people inside. Don't dismount the people inside, ah.
Yo, come southeast. Can we catch?
Nag-opening na sila.
Come back. Yo, we do to engage, okay? To engage, Marlika. First party and then everybody else, okay? Come not to us. Where they? Can I get
Mounted up.
They're mounted uphill again? Okay. Yo, do not OC yet, boys, until I tell you guys to OC. Where they? Ping.
Down.
Come east. Come east. Let's get
Try catch them na.
Try to catch. Yo, my party, east side shallow. My party, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow, my party. Come back. Chase that guy, north side. Yo, do not leave the energy, guys. Do not leave the energy.
Saan kayo mugi?
I'm watching south side. I'm watching south side, okay?
Where they? Mounted still?
Tagap.
Still mounted. Uphill.
Yeah, come not us. And we fight them on next zone then, so they don't have closer gear. Tell me when they follow, okay? Yo, listen, don't hit them away. Don't hit them. We zone in northwest. Hold northwest. Are they gonna come? What they waiting for?
I think they're just gonna hold.
Yeah, they small, but
next
they're small, but they're dismounting. So I wanna know what they plan to do.
zone. Probably. Maybe.
Our guys OC, what the fuck?
We'll see.
Yeah, okay. I'm trying kind of keep track where they're going.
Jigas is still behind. Just watch our.
May mga
Okay,
nahuli.
zone in.
Mga support.
Tell me when they zone in, okay? Tell me when they zone in. Zone.
Zone, boys, zone.
May mga nahuli kang
Diyan tayo mo.
Bakit?
carving mo tapos tank
Just don't
support.
get caught. I just don't get caught.
Ako lang yung isa. Yung isang kabayo.
Come on. Tell me when they turn.
They're nearing northwest na.
Okay. Reb, why are you getting caught? Just zone in and mount up if you're on the gate. Zone in and mount up if you're on the gate.
They're just following.
They zone, they're just following.
They're just following. Some of them zone.
Why the fuck they just following, man?
Zoning.
Okay,
Abot na tayo sa rat.
you're with me, right? Are you good, right? Hold on. You get ready, catch the pierce cut if you can.
Dismounted. OC.
Yeah, come northeast uphill. We go northeast uphill. It's fine. They dismounted and OC, okay?
You fight here?
Yeah, we fight here then. We fight here. Yo, catch the scouts.
Sir,
Listen. Hold up here. Yo, I need tanks stopping the southeast side. Okay? Hold up here. Ready? Yo, my party get ready. Yo, listen, my party shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My party shallow only.
Northwest.
Okay, hold on. West April, everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brawler.
Spend northeast side and node. Spread. Give me the fences inside. Defend inside. OC. Yeah. Yo, OC. Heal up. Come southwest. Heal me. Marika, get ready. Loan me. Get ready. Everything on Tommy. Heal me. Everything on Tommy. North side.